All right, we are down by the river, and before we get to the burgers and hot dogs, we got a little coffee going, some sausage and some bacon pieces to get things warmed up. And then a great view to eat by. All right, cowboy coffee is almost ready. Time to flip the bacon. Oh yeah. It doesn't get much better. These are just the appetizers to get things started up while we wait for the burgers and things to cook here in a few minutes. A few more minutes on the sausage. Coffee's almost ready. Half the bacon's gone. And I believe, oh yeah, sausage is good to go. Ooh, buddy. Oh yeah. Sausage is ready. Time to put the hamburgers and hot dogs on, but this should keep us going until they're ready. All right, cowboy coffee is ready. Nothing like hot coffee in the outdoors down by the water. There we go. Number one and number two. There we go. Need to see the steam coming off it. Okay, hot dogs almost ready to go, and we have some extras for bacon, because you can't cook hot dogs around your dog and not give him some. Time to give Bacon some hot dog. Make all of his dreams come true. Oh yeah. Gobble it up, buddy. That's good stuff. Man, oh man. Good job, buddy. Enjoy. You don't want to see me chewing on this, but trust me when I say that it's delicious.
Chewing that wiener.
And we are up to 350 degrees on this bad boy. The hamburgers will be going on shortly. Here we are, down on the Williamson River in rural Oregon. Hot coffee, fresh water, and grilled meat. Life is good, folks. Let's give these a quick check. For convenience, we just use frozen patties today, but you can do pretty much whatever you want. This is like a fully functioning regular grill. But when you're taking everything outdoors and don't want to spend a whole bunch of time cleaning up and everything else, the frozen patties just made it easier. All right, burgers are done. Bacon is done. Buns have been warmed up. Now, this is pretty simple to figure out what we're going to do next. We just take and put our bacon on the burgers, let everything get all warmed up together. There we go. And we've got a couple more pieces of bacon coming, so we'll get to that in just a minute. Then all we gotta do, there we go, lift this guy up. I had to make sure I didn't drop my food. Would have been a real shame after all that work to let it go to the ground. And it is time to eat. Holy smokes. That is going to be good. Here we got bacon on cheeseburgers and some extra pieces to chew on. Throw some pickles and on bun on these guys and we are ready to rock and roll. Delicious today. Nothing like doing this down by the river. Like we always say, guys, cook outside. It just tastes better. Bakey, you want some bacon? Lemony piat. Good boy. Good Bakey. Bacon eating bacon.